Hello, myself Dr. Chandrima Goswami. I'm a teacher teaching environmental management in iLead for a couple of years, and I also teach environmental studies at Rabindra Bharati University. Now, I have done PhD in environmental science from Jadavpur University, completed in 2014, and I like teaching a lot. It's the best profession, I think, as per me. And I must say it's not a profession, rather by teaching the students what we get to know, actually we get to know about the subject in more intensified way. Like we prepare ourselves for any kind of questions that students come to us with, and the kind of things that they are facing nowadays, the more competition, the more encouragement to do something better and something new, as the competitions are also high nowadays. So likewise, with their more enthusiasm and more intense questions that they follow in, we get much more prepared with ourselves. And what to say, the experience is much nice. Matlab, I would like to say that the more we get to know the students, the more we can encourage them in a certain way that they do prefer. Likewise, they will be helped in some simple ways.
Any challenges, any hindrances you faced?
Challenges were not there actually. Also my mentors like supervisors, professors who helped me a lot in my PhD time when I did PhD. At that time a lot of patience I have learnt while preparing myself about the subject, and just following them we learnt a lot, like how to pursue anything that we really are seeking into.
For career, how can they prepare themselves for in this field?
Intense knowledge and the urge to know something new and actual things is very important. One thing I would like to share, that nowadays students are lacking a bit of patience and they are trying to focus more upon the immediate effects. That's again the problem of the recent days, not for them, but we should change the study criteria in such a way that they should be helped by us to know what ways they should follow in to pursue a better career. Like it's not always the question banks they should follow, not always the question and answer guides that are there in the market. Rather, they should go for the textbooks for intense knowledge and should also pursue any teacher with whom they are comfortable in, and likewise that teacher will definitely help them, because we teachers are there just to help them only. Otherwise it's of no use.